Good morning and welcome in. It's Friday, October 16th. We are at the end of the week and looking at our immune system. So, today's activity, newsflash for you, you are working on Brain Pop. Brain Pop, remember, if you are going to access it, is going to be through Clever. I'll show you how to do that here in a second. And once you get there, you are going to watch the video, take the quiz, and I do believe make a video today. It's a new little feature on there. I hope you have fun doing that, but you get to play like you're Tim and Moby and answer a fan letter over how the immune system works. So have fun playing around with that. Should be a fairly easy day. If you get done early, by all means, we are into quarter two now. You can get some stuff caught up if you need to. That would be a perfect use of your time. Okay. To access Brain Pop today, you're going to head here to Clever. And I have it under my favorites. You may not have it there yet. So scroll down. It's in a weird spot for us science people. It's in language arts, of all places, language arts. Click on your Brain Pop icon there. You're going to load it. Should log you in automatically. And what you are going to look for is this black menu bar or navigation bar here at the top. You want to go right here to your dashboard. Under the dashboard, we'll have all of your activities linked already for you today. Okay, have fun, make a great video, and we will see you on Monday.